Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sumo in Project Smash. We will cover the essential steps to integrate and leverage this powerful simulation tool. Understanding Sumo capabilities is crucial for optimizing your project's traffic modeling. We will ensure you grasp the core functionalities, enabling you to create robust and realistic traffic scenarios with ease. This will set a strong foundation for your work. To begin, you will need to set up your Sumo environment correctly. First, install the Sumo software suite, which typically includes tools like NetConvert and DuoRouter. Next, configure your system's environment variables to ensure Project Smash can locate these tools. A crucial step is to verify your installation by running a small, basic simulation. This confirms everything is working as expected before you dive into more complex tasks. Now, let's create your traffic scenarios. You will define your road network using Sumo NetConvert tool, converting OpenStreetMap data or custom layouts. Then, generate vehicle routes and traffic demand with DuoRouter, specifying origin and destination pairs. Remember to define various vehicle types and their behavioral parameters, such as maximum speed and acceleration. This detailed setup ensures your simulations accurately reflect real-world conditions. Finally, it is time to run and analyze your simulations. Execute your defined scenario using the Sumo command line interface, observing the simulation progress. For visual insights, use Sumo GUI to watch traffic flow and individual vehicle movements in real time. After the simulation, extract key performance indicators like travel times, queue lengths, and emissions. This data is vital for evaluating your project's design and making informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.